Hey Mac friends, it's Dana here from Macmedics again. Customer just brought us this 27-inch iMac, and I think they accidentally erased their data. I'm not 100% sure how, but in an effort to see if their iCloud data was still there, they created a new account on the recently erased iMac, which makes it a lot harder for me to rescue the data, if not impossible. So the lesson here is, if you have a machine that was recently erased, don't do anything with it. Don't install the OS, don't create a user, because if you need data recovery from someone like me or one of the big data recovery firms, it's going to be a lot more accurate if no data has been overwritten. Plus, this is a great case study of why it's so important to back up with Time Machine. If she had had a Time Machine backup, she would still have all of her data.